Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to feature what we believe is the best Christmas wreath for your front door this holiday season: the 22-inch artificial Norfolk pine Christmas wreath with pine cones, eucalyptus, and red berries. If you're searching for a piece that brings festive charm and elegance to your home, this is the one. This wreath is the perfect mix of traditional holiday warmth and timeless design. With realistic Norfolk pine branches, natural-looking pine cones, rich eucalyptus leaves, and bright red berries, the arrangement creates a stunning holiday focal point. Whether you're welcoming guests or simply want to enjoy the season spirit yourself, it sets the tone immediately. Now, when it arrives, don't worry if it looks a bit compact. That's just from shipping. A little light fluffing brings it back to full, lush form. It's designed to be hassle-free, so you won't spend hours adjusting or assembling. Every decorative piece, berries, cones, leaves, is pre-secured. So, it's really as easy as open, fluff, and hang. What we love most is its versatility. This wreath isn't just for the front door. It works beautifully above a mantle, on an interior wall, or even in a window. It brings cozy holiday cheer wherever you place it. And it's not limited to Christmas Day. It fits into winter decor, fall themes, and even early spring arrangements thanks to its evergreen style. It's also weather tough, so you can use it outdoors. Whether you hang it under a covered porch or directly on your front door, it holds up beautifully through the season. Unlike natural wreaths, this one won't wilt or lose its needles. It stays fresh looking year after year, making it a smart investment. Measuring 22 inches in diameter, it's the perfect size, not too small, not too overwhelming. It balances nicely on any standard door, and its circular shape symbolizes the everlasting joy of the holiday season. From the front porch to your living room wall, this wreath adapts to any space. Its lightweight makes it easy to mount without special hardware, and the colors really pop whether you're going for rustic, farmhouse, or classic holiday themes. So if you're looking for a Christmas wreath that combines quality, elegance, and durability, this is the one we recommend. It's festive, refined, and effortlessly charming. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to subscribe for more top picks and honest reviews to make your shopping smarter and simpler. See you next time, and happy holidays.